beef stroganoff, I use flat meat that I cut and marinate in Worcestershire sauce for about 30 minutes. Also reporting for duty are red onion, mushrooms, dry mustard, beef base, and sour cream. Saute the onion and mushrooms until the onion is translucent. Add the beef and saute it until it is nicely browned on all sides. Scrape up the little brown bits. Keep flipping it until you see it looks something like this. Again, make sure you scrape up the fond at the bottom of the pot. Now, add the beef broth and turn the flame to low. Let it keep going until it's reduced a bit. Add the pearl onions. Let everything cook down until the liquid is reduced by half. While that's happening, boil water for noodles and cook the noodles. When everything is done, add the sour cream and dry mustard. Stir it all together on a very low flame. Drain the noodles and put some of the stroganoff on top. I like mine with a little extra sour cream and a dollop of red pepper sauce. Enjoy and see you next time on The Good Plate.